Yes. As usual, this is Nam Sindra Alimayo Samrawito Ombokolos, Charles Ujemo Kango, Centuries Baribus, Nyatagrajiri Mama Bere, Akakama Mitrabede for 1 mere. Today, I will wish you to talk about the matters concerning this field of refrigeration and air conditioning. At times, people get challenges when they are troubleshooting the issues concerning air conditioning because it displays the error of which you have to interpret the error code it has displayed so that you know what it is supposed to be done in order to rectify. So the one which is very stubborn is the VRV system, that is variable refrigerant volume. Those are kind of ACs having one big outdoor and it is connected to so many indoor units. So we call them the centralized system. Sometimes, if it is displaying H7, it means the communication between the indoor unit and the outdoor unit is not proper. There is miscommunication, there is a mismatch. Therefore, since it is connected to so many indoor units, you have to analyze each indoor unit one by one so that you can tell which one is not communicating properly. And you can do this by using the isolation method. You first disconnect all the indoor units and start powering one by one. So when you power one and it is the one having the error, still the outdoor unit will be displaying that H7. Now if that is the one, then you rectify. But by coincidence or by chance that all the indoor units you are powering and the error code is not coming, it means that one, all the number of indoor units you have powered, none of them have errors. You continue powering until the error comes, and that is how you can analyze. So this one is always with the board. If the board is not proper or there is an error with the board of the indoor unit, automatically the H7 will come in the outdoor unit so that you can find out and analyze properly. Another one, if you have, sometimes the outdoor unit displays H4. Now, if it is displaying H4, it means the compressors are being heated. The compressor has received much heat, and since it has a protection mechanism, it goes off, and the system displays H4. So, what could be the reasons why the compressor or the system is displaying H4? Oh, the heat, why the compressor is getting much heat. One, there could be the debris in the condenser, whereby it is affecting the heat exchange in the condenser. Therefore, you need to analyze if there is debris or the condenser fins are very dirty that it is stopping the heat exchange to take place. Sometimes you get that the extraction fan, it is not running. So you have to analyze the motor of the extraction fan. If the fan is not running, it means all the heat being produced is not taken out, and therefore compressor gets much heat. And also the one which is very sensitive is always with the diode. It is called the phase. It is a three-phase diode rectifier. If the work of the diode is to direct the current. So if the diode is faulty, therefore the compressor is not getting the current as it is supposed to do. It may be excess or less. In most cases it's always excess. Therefore the compressor, it takes by itself because it has a protection mechanism that will always be there. Now you need to analyze the diode system to know whether it is proper or improper. But it's always that diode. The other one could be this, because the AC unit or the outdoor unit has 3 boards. There is the other specific board for protection mechanism that deals with the compressors. Therefore, you also need to trace in that board and find out if there could be an issue. So those are where the error codes are. There are so many error codes in the air conditioning system, but I am talking about the most complex one, whereby the technicians always get difficulties in troubleshooting them.